Plumbing code. 30 items. Enjoy while learning. 1. The birth of the plumbing profession in the Philippines is traced back to the A. 15th century, B. 16th century, C. 17th century, D. 18th century, C. 17th century. 2. One fixture unit is equal to how many GPM? A. 6.5, B. 7.5, C. 8.5, D. 9.5, B. 6.5. 3. In case of renewal of a plumbing permit, a fee equivalent to blank the amount of the original fee shall be paid. A. 1/4, B. 1/3, C. 1/2, D. 3/4, C. 1/2. 4. No substance which will clog the pipes, produce explosive mixtures, destroy the pipes or their joints, or interfere unduly with the sewage and disposal process shall be allowed to enter the building drainage system. A. Principle number 13, B. Principle number 14, C. Principle number 15, D. Principle number 16, B. Principle number 14. 5. Plumbing took a great leap at the turn of the blank century, with the arrival of the American soldiers, engineers, Thomasite teachers, doctors, and evangelists. A. 17th century, B. 18th century, C. 19th century, D. 20th century, D. 20th century. 6. Any public space, public park, or thoroughfare less than 3 meters but not less than 2 meters in width dedicated or deeded for public use. A. Alley, B. Roadway, C. Confined space, D. Unconfined space. A. Alley. 7. The unobstructed vertical distance through the free atmosphere between the lowest opening from any pipe, plumbing fixture, appliance, or appurtenance conveying waste to the flood level rim of the receptor. A. Appurtenances, B. Drainage air gap, C. Water gap, D. Watertight, B. Drainage air gap. 8. It is a type of cast iron pipe that is generally used for above-ground piping. A. SV service, B. XH extra heavy, C. Hubless, D. Hub and spigot. A. SV service. 9. What was the city that was established by the Spaniards as a model community? A. Davao City, B. Lapu-Lapu City, C. Walled City, D. Intramuros, C. Walled City. 10. No water closet shall be located in a room or compartment which is not properly lighted and ventilated. What principle number is this? A. Principle number 15, B. Principle number 16, C. Principle number 17, D. Principle number 18, B. Principle number 16. 11. Type of pipe that is durable, conveniently installed, and answer to the most plumbing needs of all types of buildings less than 25-story high. A. PVC pipe, B. Brass pipe, C. Cast iron pipe, D. Vitrified clay pipe, C. Cast iron pipe. 12. At what year did the Board of Examiners for Master Plumbers and the NAMPAP prepared a curriculum for plumbing engineering that was approved by the Department of Education and was first introduced at the Fiati University? A. 1966 to 1969, B. 1974 to 1976, C. 1966 to 1979, D. 1976 or 1979? A. 1966 to 1969. 13. When applied to a fixture, connection, appliance, or equipment, shall mean having access thereto, but which may require prior removal of an access panel, door, or similar obstruction. A. Confined space. B. Unconfined space. C. Accessible. D. Password. C. Accessible. 14. Plumber was derived from the ancient Roman word plumbarius, which was taken from the Latin word A. Plumbarius. B. Plumbum. C. Plumby. D. Plum. B. Plumbum. 14. The administrative authority requires that every request for inspection be filed at least blank days before such inspection is intended. A. 12 working days. B. 6 working days. C. 5 working days. D. 3 working days. D. 3 working days. 16. A physical separation, which may be a low inlet into the indirect waste receptor from the fixture, appliance, or device indirectly connected. A. Air gap. B. Air bender. C. Air brake. D. Air pipe. C. Air brake. 17. The First Amendment to the National Plumbing Code was approved, which affected the inclusion of asbestos cement pipe as an approved plumbing material. A. November 28, 1967. B. December 21, 1959. C. January 28, 1959. D. February 14, 1967. A. November 28, 1967. 18. The flow of water or other liquids, mixtures, or substances into the distributing pipes of a potable supply of water from any source other than from its intended source. A. Backvent. B. Backup. C. Backflow. D. Backsiphonage. C. Backflow. 19. Device or means to prevent flow of liquid from returning to the source, also called vacuum breaker. A. Backvent preventer. B. Backup preventer. C. Backflow preventer. D. Backwater backflow. C. Backflow preventer. 20. Otherwise known as the Plumbing Code for the City of Manila. A. City Ordinance 1378. B. City Ordinance Still 411. C. RA 1378. D. RA 11058. B. City Ordinance Still 411. 21. A valve opened and closed by the fall and rise, respectively, of an attached ball floating on the surface of the liquid. A. Ball and spigot. B. Kickball. C. Ball joint. D. Ball cock. D. Ball cock. 22. What principal number is this? Devices for heating and storing water shall be designed and installed as to prevent dangers from explosion through overheating. A. Principle number 1. B. Principle number 2. C. Principle number 3. D. Principle number 4. D. Principle number 4. 23. Synonymous to faucet, caulk, tap, plug, etc. The word faucet is preferred. A. Grip. B. Bulb. C. Bib. D. Bell. C. Bib. 24. Any part of the piping system other than a main, riser, or stack. A. Interval. B. Branch. C. Connection. D. Elbow. B. Branch. 25. Refers to an individual who worked in the sanitary field of ancient Rome. A. Plumber. B. Plumbarius. C. Plumb. D. Plumby. B. Plumbarius. 26. Plumba means blank. A. Worker. B. Lead. C. Brass. D. Plumber. B. Lead. 27. A pipe flange that is not drilled for bolt holes. A. Blind flange. B. Blank flange. C. Plain flange. D. Solid flange. B. Blank flange. 28. No drum trap shall be installed without blank. A. Receptor. B. Vent. C. Valve. D. Interceptor. B. Vent. 28. Is an eye and face protection device that covers the entire face with a plastic shield. A. Face mask. B. Face towel. C. Face shield. D. Goggles. C. Face shield. 29. An air pressure less than atmospheric. Also implies siphonage in piping system. A. Vacuum. B. Water hammer. C. Capillary action. D. Backwater backflow. A. Vacuum. 30. This happens on floor drain which are not regularly used to admit water, but exposed to extreme temperature. A. Capillary action. B. Evaporation. C. Condensation. D. Back pressure. B. Evaporation. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more.